Yeah.
I've put 0. Excuse me.
Satellite.
Count combination.
650. Oh gosh.
Oh god, there it is.
Gesundheit.
Thank you.
Man.
Yeah, that.
It's a remake of Tony Hawk's Pro Skater 1. It's forbidden. Okay. Those were real.
Aaron. God bless you.
I gotta just take my hand off of the shit. I gotta sneeze! Okay. Oh god, why? Monstro!
He came back right as your sneeze was finishing. It was rough.
He went right under me when I was gonna land on the fucking ice cube.
I would have hit pause.
Oh, jeez. Might want to hit pause?
No, I would have hit pause. Like, when I sneeze, like, my whole world comes to a standstill.
Oh, that's true. Supposedly...
Alright.
I returned to the classroom. Despite- oh, I guess that was it. Oh, I could do a- oh, I could talk to Strawberry.
It's unavailable on Gesundheit. It's true. I'm actually waterboarding myself.
This doesn't work! This is gonna break me. You guys are gonna just... I didn't think it was this hard. I've done it once.
Let me try.
Yeah, get in here!
Yeah!
Alright, Tucker, I got you.
That's sneeze.
You seeing me use all these techniques right now?
Excuse me.
That's what's happening.
Wow, look at him!
1,999,991 Gesundheit. So this
Bless you. Bless you.
Okay.
Jeez. Are we gonna hear
I gotta sneeze.
Bless you.
Okay.
Here we go.
Hello, friend.
Bless you.
Thank you.
I can't get this.
Come over here. Come here, lad. I am the tree.
How do I do this?
I don't know, man. I was fucking being a tree for a second.
Sorry.
Give me a freaking dick and
Give me a heckin' second. Oh,
Give me a
you wiped your nose right at the wrong moment.
Give me a siku. I'm gonna sneeze again! Put it on a sneeze porn site! Do it! Upload it!
Sneeze porn.
Yeah, it's real.
People are into everything.
Yeah, well, so am I. I don't need to kill
Oh no.
I don't need to kill this guy. Gesundheit, dude! Gesundheit again!
Thank you.
And Scholdigoon!
Oh, man.
Gesundheit.
Please, God, let there be one, like, tentpole thought that brings up 50 other... Excuse me.